Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Scent Bomb is probably one of the most popular and effective ways to keep your car smelling fresh and inviting, especially after a long drive or a messy adventure. This little powerhouse is designed to tackle even the most stubborn odors, releasing a long-lasting fragrance that transforms your vehicle's interior into a pleasant sanctuary. Whether you're dealing with the lingering scent of gym clothes, pet odors, or just the general staleness that can accumulate over time, the MEGUIAR'S Scent Bomb offers a simple yet potent solution to elevate your driving experience and impress anyone who steps into your car. Number 5. Chemical Guy's New Car Smell Air Freshener and Odor Neutralizer Spray, 2-pack. Introducing the Chemical Guy's New Car Smell Air Freshener. It's designed to bring that fresh, just driven off the lot aroma right into your vehicle. This powerful spray not only adds a pleasant scent but also actively neutralizes unpleasant odors. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher smelling interior every time you get in. Customize your experience with its adjustable spray strength. Whether you prefer a subtle hint or a more robust fragrance, you're in control. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have lasting freshness for your car. Keep one and share the other, or simply enjoy extended use. It's the perfect solution for refreshing your car's interior. Experience the joy of a consistently clean and inviting space, no matter where you go. What we like. This product offers a classic new car scent and actively neutralizes odors. If you're looking to replicate that fresh from the dealership smell and tackle lingering unpleasantness, this 2-pack is a great value. It's ideal for those who want a consistent, clean interior aroma. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and effective. It disperses the fragrance evenly throughout the car. The design is discreet and doesn't take up much space. Number 4. Air Jungle's Lavender Scent Car Air Freshener Vent Clips 6CT. Experience the refreshing scent of lavender with our new car air freshener. Designed to enhance your driving experience, it brings a pleasant aroma to your vehicle. Tired of lingering smells? This product effectively neutralizes common odors from food, pets, and smoke. Enjoy a consistently clean and inviting atmosphere inside your car. You're in control of your car's scent. With a 3-level scent control, you can easily adjust the fragrance intensity to your preference. It securely attaches to your car's air vents for effortless use. Each clip provides natural fragrance for up to 30 days. With 6 clips included, you can enjoy up to 180 days of continuous freshness, ensuring your car always smells pleasant. Formulated with a blend of essential and fragrance oils, it offers a comfortable and natural scent experience. It's a perfect accessory for both men and women. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes an ideal present for new car owners. It's a practical and pleasant addition to any vehicle. What we like. Experience a long-lasting, natural lavender fragrance with these vent clips. If you prefer a calming, floral scent and want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for up to 180 days, these are perfect. They are a convenient choice for continuous freshness without frequent replacement. What people say. The Scent Bomb is a great way to keep your car smelling fresh for weeks. It's easy to use, just hang it from your rearview mirror and let it do the work. The scent is strong and long-lasting, perfect for eliminating odors. Number 3. MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash 1 Gallon. Experience the ultimate in car care with our premium wash and conditioner. It's designed to clean and condition your vehicle's paint in one simple step. Its ultra-rich foam lifts away dirt and grime effectively. This ensures a thorough clean without stripping essential protection from your paint. Save time with our innovative formula that cleans and conditions simultaneously. Achieve a brilliant shine and smooth finish with every wash. This gentle yet powerful cleaner is safe for all vehicle paints. It removes contaminants while enhancing the depth and gloss of your car's finish. Get exceptional value with this generous 1-gallon size. It provides plenty of product for numerous washes, keeping your car looking its best. Trust in MEGUIAR'S Gold Class for a professional-level clean at home. It's the perfect choice for car enthusiasts who demand the best. What we like. This is a premium car wash soap that creates an ultra-rich foam and conditions your paint in one step. If you're seeking a high-quality wash that leaves your car looking clean and feeling smooth, this is the one. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want a deep clean and a protective finish. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and effective at eliminating odors. The product is easy to use and provides a pleasant fragrance. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective solution for keeping your car smelling fresh. Number 2. Chemical Guy's JDM Squash Scent Air Freshener. Experience a fresh, clean soapy scent with subtle citrus and a candy finish. It's perfect for refreshing any space and bringing back nostalgic memories. This scent can be used to refresh any area, inside or out of your car. It replaces stale air with a fresh, clean, and fun aroma. Its luscious scent is reminiscent of tuned-up drift machines. Let it help you recall memories of your first car and past road trips. This is more than just an air freshener, it's an odor eliminator. Specialty enzymes seek out and destroy odor-causing elements, eliminating foul smells at their source. Use it during an AC system purge to replace stenches with fresh, crisp, cool air. Enjoy the scent of sideways cruises in any ride. What we like. Enjoy a unique JDM-inspired scent with powerful odor-eliminating capabilities. If you love a fresh, clean aroma with a hint of citrus and candy, and want to eliminate odors at their source, this is for you. It's great for refreshing not just your car, but also your office or home. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and fills the car with a pleasant aroma. Easy to use, just hang it and enjoy the fragrance. The design is discreet and doesn't get in the way. Number 1. Chemical Guy's New Car and Leather Scent Sample Kit. Remember that incredible feeling of driving a brand new car? Now you can keep that signature scent and fresh feeling every time you get behind the wheel. Tired of lingering smells? This product features active odor eliminators that neutralize unpleasant odors, restoring that new car freshness and preventing new ones from forming. Experience the sophisticated aroma of fine leather. It's a scent that evokes luxury, perfect for your car's interior or even your favorite leather accessories. Don't limit its use to just your car. Bring this refreshing scent to pet beds, boats, hotels, garages, and anywhere else that needs a crisp, clean fragrance. Join a global community of car lovers who choose this brand for its premium detailing products and exceptional support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This kit provides the sought-after new car scent and a luxurious leather aroma, both with active odor eliminators. If you're undecided between these two popular scents or want to try them out, this sample kit is ideal. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a premium interior smell and tackle odors effectively. What people say. The scent is long-lasting and pleasant, filling the car with a refreshing aroma. Easy to use, just hang it up and enjoy the continuous fragrance. The design is discreet and doesn't obstruct the view or take up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.